Good morning and welcome to my presentation on the benefits of linked learning education models in California schools. So first, I think it's important to discuss where we've come from. I think it's clear to see that especially after recent education models, there's a need for reform. Traditional education models have not served the majority of students in secondary schools. The majority of students have been left out. There has been an emphasis on college readiness, which does not adequately prepare students that are not college bound for their post-secondary experiences. And after No Child Left Behind, there was a real emphasis and focus on test scores. And this focus in secondary schools on test scores did not even serve college-bound students to be necessarily independently successful in their post-secondary experiences. So what is linked learning? Linked learning is a high caliber education designed around meaningful pathways. It's built on four really important components: rigorous academics, career technical education, work-based learning in real-world workplaces, and comprehensive support services. It integrates curriculum in a couple different ways. First of all, it integrates, as I discussed previously, academics and technical skills. It also integrates, the curriculum is integrated. And what that does is it works to connect the content across different subject areas, which will help students to understand the relevance in all the relevance of all the different subjects that they are learning. So it kind of does away with that concept of, well, why do I need this? Why am I learning this? It's also it establishes important partnerships between schools, professionals, and community colleges or junior colleges and trade colleges, which plays a vital role in not only the student success, but it also really strengthens community ties. And benefits to students and districts. So this model, there's a lot of research that would suggest that these models will promote increased test scores, increase attendance rates, and decrease dropout rates. The engagement rates are going to be higher, and so we're going to see these added benefits. Also, linked learning provides real-life application, which provides purpose and relevance that promotes student engagement and academic success. And also, exposure, students are going to be exposed to different fields through their pathways. And these internships and professional partnerships are going to motivate students to really care about their education and about their futures, whether that be after a four-year college experience or a trade experience. Linked learning is going to prepare them for successful futures in whatever venue or aspects that they choose.